So in today's video, I do have some cleaning motivation, and I did organize the top of our messy fridge. So y'all will see that. I don't really like this video because it's all over the place, but I'm hoping that y'all still get some motivation from this video. I'm starting off with washing a few loads of laundry, which was the kids' clothes and sheets, and then also their comforters. 30 minutes if you wanna spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but so this window right here mainly had a lot of the kids' fingerprints on there. So I'm just gonna wipe down all of their windows, and then all of their blinds are messed up, whether they look physically messed up or they don't roll up anymore, which the rolling up part is not their fault. I think most of these blinds did not roll up when we moved in. So yeah, I ended up just taking this middle one down, and then after that I did fill up a bucket with some hot water and some pine sol so I can try to wipe all of the dust from around the window frames, and then also wipe off their radiators. Sticks on my body. Can't trust nobody, 'cause that's what you wanted, to keep us embedded. Loved you for, but you gave up again. Sticks on my body. Now you're just a body. I saw it slowly coming. My belly ache, don't lie. Don't want a violent ending, so save me. How many times you lied about being sober? Always to tell you to. So I'm using the Zep foaming wall cleaner to wipe down their door, which the spray did a good job on all of the doors in the house. Like I always say, the paint in this house is not that type of paint where you can just wipe smudges and stuff off easily. So I already knew the spray wasn't really gonna make a big difference on this wall near my 2-year-old's bed, but I still wanted to try to go the cheaper route and hope that it would work. But in real life, I did see a big difference as far as the dirt on the walls. Like a lot of the dirt was off of the wall. It was just the crown marks did not come up. So just wanted to try in the future. Like I always say, once we get enough money, and I think it's just once I can put, you know, paint and like all of the paint stuff that we would need, once it can fit in the budget where I won't feel like, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Hopefully y'all can understand what I'm trying to say. It's like, I'm sure I can probably get the paint stuff, but it's like, it's just a time for everything. So the right time and the right money to be able to get all of the paint stuff, I will repaint the kids' room, and I'll make sure to share that with y'all. But for now, I just wanted to try to wipe off as much as I could.
Meet you here online, oh no. 3 other guys on hold. What's your favorite scene? Is it with Megan Fox or Charlie Chaplin? Oh well. Another guy, no style. Push me, baby, let's go to the edge. See what Mother Nature brought us today. Yeah, yeah. Time with the protects you sent. Emotionally, I still need a break. Oh well, it's just a one night stand. 1, 2, 3, oh hi. It's nice to meet you here online. Oh no, 5 other guys on hold.
So I did say in my last video that I have been grabbing the broom more than the cordless vacuum, because y'all know the broom, I could just get in between the cracks easier, and I can pick up all of the like the bigger crumbs and stuff that the kids leave. So I sweep like 2 to 3 times a day, like the whole house, because I really just got to a point where I was tired of the amount of dust and crumbs that we accumulate for some reason. And this lady, she did comment under my last video when I was talking about that, and she said that she has the same floors as me, and her floors get really dusty too. So I don't know, I'm over it. So I'm making sure to sweep their whole room so I can go ahead and mop. I did mop with some hot water and some Pond Sol. And then for their toys, I didn't do the whole like normal deep cleaning of their bins. I just repositioned their toys so they're not just hanging out of their toy bins.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every part. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat.
So y'all see that the top of this closet needed to be fixed. So I don't know why there was a wine box. I'm assuming that my kids was playing with it, and then my husband, he just threw it up there to keep it away from them, which he does stuff like that. Instead of just folding it and putting it in the trash, he'll just throw it up there. So anyway, I am putting the 2 blankets that we had at the top of the closet up here in this little extra storage area. And then I'm just gonna put all of me and my husband's stuff that we use like out of the shower in these clear containers. And then I didn't really like deep clean up here. I just kind of tried to put everything neatly, and then that would just be for another day. But yeah, I did want to reorganize up here really quick before I started cleaning the rest of the room.
I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud.
I did get the duvet and sheets and all of that out of the dryer, so I'm gonna just go ahead and make up the bed before I finish cleaning. So I did tell y'all like a few videos ago that the kids messed up my duvet with slime, and I wasn't going to get another one, y'all. I was just going to continue to use the black comforter that we had and call it a day. But for Mother's Day, my mom did get us some more pillows and some sheets and a duvet. But it do make me emotional because I'm just always so grateful when people help us, because being a stay-at-home mom and just like one source of income, it's just like when somebody thinks to help you, it just feels good. So anyway, it was just a blessing and I'm just grateful. But I did look up a video a while ago on how to put it on a duvet easier, so that's what I'm doing right now. And I would say that if you do not have a duvet, I would suggest that you do invest in one. It's just so much easier because it's just a thin sheet that you can put in a washer instead of putting a whole full comforter or going to the laundromat to wash a comforter. So I would suggest investing in a duvet.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time.
So the top of this fridge is a mess. I'm tired of looking at it. I was telling y'all in one of my videos that I did want to get one of those pantry cabinets, which are like $200, because we don't have a lot of storage in our kitchen. A lady did comment under that video and she was telling me that she used like containers or like, you know, just nice containers to hide the stuff on the top of her fridge. So I'm really grateful that she told me, because I never would have thought about getting like nice baskets to hide the stuff. Walmart had big baskets, but they were $25. So I was just like, let me just go to Ross. So I went to Ross and I ended up getting a big basket for $10.99, and then one that was a little bit smaller for $8.99, and then one for $7.99. And then I also got this clear OXO container, and y'all will see how it looks at the end. Overall, I think that everything just looks so much better than what it was looking like before. But I did text my mom and I asked her, like, did she feel like it looked a little too baskety? Because I feel like I kind of should have maybe got different containers instead of just all basket containers. Overall, I feel like it looks good and it definitely looks better than what was going on before.
Sticks on my body, can't trust nobody. Guess that's what you wanted, to keep us embedded. Loved you for what you gave up again. Sticks on my body, now you're just a body. I saw it slowly coming, my belly ache, don't lie. Don't want a violent ending, so save me. How many times you lied about being sober? Always too tired to come over. Lean on my body, never my shoulder. Go back to her and tell that it's over. I saw it slowly coming, my belly ache, don't lie. How many times you lied about being sober? Go back to her now, 'cause we're over. So ironic, saw you on your stories and lost all my feelings, like our love had no meaning. So don't smile at me when we're meet, oh please. It's so ironic, yeah, I guess that is Godspeed. Ran out of love, run out of we don't matter. Now you're not what I need. Let go of all the bad memories. There was no you and me. How many times you lied about being sober? Always too tired to come over. Lean on my body, never my shoulder. Go back to her and tell that it's over. It's over. It's over. It's over. How many times you lied about being sober? Go back to her now, 'cause we're over. I saw it slowly coming, my belly ache, don't lie. Don't want a violent ending, so save me. I saw it slowly coming, my belly ache, don't lie. Don't want a violent ending, so save me.
We was gonna order groceries the next day, so I wanted to make sure when I was cleaning the kitchen that I did wipe out the fridge real quick. So the freezer was pretty much good. It was just the fridge, because you know, spilled juice and stuff. So I'm taking down the two boards, the one board that I write scriptures on, and then the kids chore chart. I was slacking with the kids chore chart. Like, they was still doing chores and I was keeping a mental note, but I was not doing like the whole sticker thing, which since this video I have got back on like the whole sticker thing. But I did fill up the sink with some hot water, Pine Sol, and then I did add a cap full of bleach just to wipe everything out for the new groceries.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere.
So at this point, after all of the cleaning, it was time to start getting dinner ready. So the chicken tenderloins were frozen. So I just added them to the crock pot with some chicken seasoning cubes. And I let that cook for the most part. And then I added seasonings and let it cook fully. And then after that, I did shred up the chicken, and then I added broccoli and then Alfredo sauce. And I let that go ahead and warm up and cook. And then after that, dinner was ready, so y'all will see how everything turned out. But we are towards the end of this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope that y'all did get some motivation. If y'all did, please make sure I give this video a like, comment down below anything, and I will see y'all in my next one.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so